Tell me what's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly. How old are you, baby?
25.
I need to see your ID. Where's your ID? Baby, you don't have your ID here. Bring out your ID. I need to see your ID. Help me check the ID. Thank you. I don't want no problems with the government, you get me? Tell me where you go. Girl, I need to hear it.